in between the the water and the vendor road, cars are in a walking space. You have a large area to take your cars fast out in the dirt, and then just behind the vendor road, you've got about 30 ramps, 40-foot ramp that guys are sending over the top of the cars. So you guys do no fast driving inside the mill area.
Whoa.
Down?
That's cheating.
Well, I know where to go.
Whoa.
Don't fall in.
Crazy.
More demos, all this stuff is free. There's there's an RC airplanes you can learn to fly. There's 3 simulators. There's some little cars you can drive in the middle. They might have a big white fast track sign that's on 3 slot cars you can drive. And we have 3 crawlers, micro crawlers, like the RC, the green cement right there. They got small micro crawlers. Then in the very back, there's also some dashers. That means cars that jump high and break blocks. Fast track speedrun cars. So those are in the back and also have some demos there as well. So again, everything is free here, guys.
I wanted the rotation.
They're gonna line up and go off again.
Yeah, you know, one of the last bashes I
I've got the 1650 in mind. Okay. And I was... You have to plow through.
They're both good, but I
Oh, there's a little one.
Ignorance is your new best friend. Ignorance is your new best friend.